The 2615 chord progression is one among many common chord progressions that allow us to unlock many songs instantly on the piano. And this chord progression is used in most single released by the gospel minister Ebuka songs. And in this video, I will show you all the songs that use this chord progression. The goal of this video is not to limit your creativity in dictating this chord progression by yourself, but it's just to provide that kind of starting foundation for beginners new to this chord progression. And once your ears are trained to recognize this chord progression, you will be able to detect more songs that use this chord progression on your own. So this lesson will be based in the key of C because most beginners are more tuned to the key of C. So this is the C major scale. Okay? So here are the chords you need to know for these songs. The first chord is your second chord in the key of C, which is 1, 2, that is D minor chord, okay? The next chord is actually the sixth chord in the key of C, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That is A minor chord, also known as the La. The third chord you need to know is your first chord in the key of C, which is this. That is C major chord, also known as the Do chord. And the fifth chord is actually your 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That is G major chord, which is the So. So the same principle applies to any key, irrespective of the key you are in. For instance, in the key of F, this is the scale. That is... Okay, this is the second chord in the key of F, that is 1, 2, okay, which is this chord. This is the sixth chord in the key of F, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, okay, that is this chord. And this is the first chord in the key of F, that is, and the fifth chord in the key of F is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, that is C major chord, okay. So the same principle applies to any key, irrespective of the key you are in. So I'll be displaying the chord progressions of these songs on screen, so you can use that as a guide. The first song that uses this chord progression is the popular Calling My Name by Minister Ebuka songs. So here's how it goes. I am a soldier in the battlefield, waiting to hear the sound of my commander. Jesus, if you call my name, I'll answer 8 billion times. I am a soldier in the battlefield, waiting to hear the voice of my commander. Another popular song by Ebuka songs that use this chord progression is I Will Pray. Here's how it sounds. I will pray, I will pray, I will pray, oh, I will pray. If I don't pray, Satan will make mess of me. We also have Jesus Christ is Seen by Minister Ebuka songs. I am the presence of God, I am His atmosphere. Anywhere I enter, Jesus Christ is seen. I am the presence of God, I am His atmosphere. Anywhere I enter, Jesus Christ is seen. I am the presence. We also have I Will Not Trade This Life by Minister Ebuka songs. I will not trade this life, trade this gift I carry. I will not trade this life, trade this gift I carry. I will not trade this life, trade this gift I carry. I will not trade this life, trade this gift I carry. So these are most of the songs that use this chord progression. The rest are just like kind of random chants and random lyrics, okay, in the song. So I hope you get the point. Also, if you're interested in learning more gospel songs that utilize this chord progression, I have a full video on that. So you can check the description box below, or you watch this video.